I am on board the Australian icebreaker, the Aurora Australis. And who you were just watching then were the last group of people to have been ferried from the Russian vessel over through about a 15-minute white knuckle ride, helicopter ride to just outside the Australian icebreaker. And so about a minute ago, you saw one of the expedition co-leaders, Greg Mortimer, walk towards the right, and he's probably now just getting into a boat which will be winched straight upwards. We don't have to go in any water. It's straight winched upwards onto the deck of this very, very large ship. I mean, it's much higher, much bulkier than the Russian ship we left a few hours ago. So everybody, well, that's the expedition members, the Australasian Antarctic expedition members have now been transferred from the Russian ship to the Australian ship.
So, Andrew,
still left behind are the Russian crew on board.
Well, you answered my question for me. Who's left on board, and what are the prospects for them? Presumably more than 20 of the Russian crew.
Yes, well, it's difficult to say. I mean, one imagines they're going to be there for. It's too risky to speculate. Weeks, I guess, would be the safest thing to say. Either they'll have to wait for the weather, the season to warm up a little, and maybe this very thick pack ice, extensive pack ice, which extends for kilometres and kilometres and kilometres. I mean, this is all new to this part of the sea around East Antarctica. Within the last, the last week, 10 days ago or so. So go back to the Russians. Well, they'll either wait for the ice to dissipate, or they may have to rely on the brute strength of the biggest class of icebreaker. This craft that we're on, big and mighty as it is not up to the task for this particularly thick pack ice. But there are larger vessels, and there is some speculation that there may be at least two coming to this area in the weeks to come.